And now we're approaching local community laundromat. So you could tell there is some traffic going on along the path. We gotta watch out to the left and to the right. It's a lot of stinging needles. Nettles? That stinging plant. We don't have poison ivy or poison oak. We have a lot of stinging nettles. Somebody's doing laundry right now. I didn't think anyone would be here, but look, somebody's doing their rugs. Не-не-не, я...
Тут стирать отлично. Вот именно стирать это отлично. Як для стирки. Так що не купатися нічого, як стирати.
Да, тут же.
Кладку не вішать є.
Это уже полощите, да?
Да, да, постирано же. Тут вообще стирать отлично. Тут уже лучше не придумаешь. Лучше не придумаешь. И вот добренно.
А зимой сюда же никто не ходит стирать, уже все замерзает, да?
Нет. Тут осень, весною. Ну вы поняли, я свету. И тут уже ходят считанные люди, там уже большинство уже машин. Ну вы поняли.
Ну, стиральные, да.
Да тут уже считанные люди ходят. У нас нема, а в кого едет? Вот Наташа Пухница собі, вона ж уже не ходить. Я і машина. Те, у кого нема, ну тут на речке, я вам скажу, даже дома так не постираешь. А тут, я вам скажу, тут воно, особенно це воно зелене, воно як і чорне, а як видите, а як не біле, висихає біле. Я вам кажу, що незаменима речка. Так я ж ось. Добренно.
Yeah, I can't believe I got so lucky. Actually found a lady doing her laundry. Now she's walking back to her house loaded with wet laundry. It sounds like she's extremely happy with this way of washing her clothes. She said she likes the smell of the river in her sheets. So a lot of time people do their like underwear, t-shirts at home just by hand. You know, they heat up water, they just leave a container, tazik, can't think an English word, so you know, big thing of water outside. Sun warms it up, and then in the afternoon they'll do laundry by hand. But the large items like rugs, sheets, pillowcases and so on, they bring to the river. They wash it by hand and then wash it right there in the river. And it said she likes it better because it smells more natural, smells like river. And now there's another point of interest in our village. There's an old bridge. It was built by one of the local landlords for the people, because we have this little creek, Javida River, that crossing, like dissecting a village. So I guess people used to go through the water and to get from one side to another. So he used his money and built this bridge, and it's still being used, although it looks like they made it narrower and reinforced it a little bit recently. You can't drive the car over it, but people use the bicycle, cows go across it. So that's so-called Pansky Most, landlord's bridge. Landlord is gone, but his bridge is still standing, serving the local people.
And if you love my channel and would like to show your support, please click on the link below this video and become the patron of the Ushanka Show. For as little as $1, you can help us grow and create the new, interesting videos about the life in Soviet Union.